Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda CRV garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons on your vehicle's overhead console. These buttons are typically found near the rearview mirror. Make sure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries, as this ensures a strong signal during the programming process. Having your original remote handy is crucial for the initial setup. Before programming a new opener, it's essential to clear any old codes from your home link system. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons at the same time. Keep holding them down until you see the indicator light, usually located above the buttons, begin to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that all previous programming has been successfully erased, preparing your system for a fresh start. Now, let's program your home link using your existing garage door remote. Position your remote control about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a solid, steady light. This indicates successful programming. For garage door openers with rolling codes, an extra step is needed. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your CRV. Once back in your vehicle, press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release sequence a total of 3 times to fully synchronize the system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.